Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. I'm always looking for ways to help people live their healthiest lives. And it all starts with how you begin your day. Your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. In this video, we'll explore 5 morning routines that can lead to a healthier and happier life. Let's dive in. So chapter 1 guys, let's talk about hydration boost. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your overall health and well-being. It's something we often overlook, but it's crucial for our bodies to function optimally. We're talking about that first step out of bed and into a healthier you. After a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and hey, if you're getting more, I applaud you, your body is naturally dehydrated. During sleep, our bodies are hard at work repairing and rejuvenating, but we aren't taking in any fluids. Think about it, you haven't taken a sip of water all night. Your cells are craving that H2O. This lack of hydration can make you feel groggy and sluggish when you wake up. It's like your body is running on empty. That's why starting your day with a tall glass of water is like hitting the reset button for your body. Imagine it as the first step in your morning routine, a ritual that sets the tone for the rest of your day. It's a simple act, but it has profound effects. It rehydrates you, kickstarts your metabolism, and gets everything moving and grooving, ready to tackle the day. Water is essential for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. It helps maintain your body's fluid balance, which is crucial for processes like digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. And you know I love to give you guys those extra tips, so here's one for you. Squeeze a little lemon in there. Lemon not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also provides a boost of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. A slice of cucumber, maybe some fresh mint. These additions not only make your water taste better, but also add extra nutrients and antioxidants. Cucumber is hydrating and contains vitamins and minerals, while mint can aid in digestion and provide a cooling effect. It's refreshing, it's invigorating, and it supports healthy digestion. Plus, it makes drinking water feel like a treat rather than a chore. You can experiment with different combinations to find what you like best. Trust me, your body will thank you. By making hydration a priority, you're setting yourself up for a day of energy, focus, and overall well-being. So grab that glass of water and start your day off right. Cheers to a healthier you. Alright, chapter 2, we're talking energizing movement. Now, before you click away thinking I'm about to put you through a marathon, relax, we're not talking about anything crazy here. Even just 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes of simple movement can make a world of difference. It's not about intensity, it's about getting that blood flowing, waking up those muscles, and giving your mind a boost of energy. Trust me, those endorphins will kick in, and you'll be feeling amazing. A quick walk around your home, a few stretches, maybe even a little yoga flow. Find what feels good for you and make it a part of your morning ritual. Okay, chapter 3. Let's talk about mindful moments. These are small, intentional pauses we take throughout our day to reconnect with ourselves and the present moment. They can be as brief as a few seconds or as long as several minutes, but their impact can be profound. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. We often find ourselves rushing from one task to the next, barely taking a moment to breathe. This constant state of busyness can lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout, but taking even just a few minutes each morning to center yourself, to quiet your mind, can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. It's about creating a space where you can simply be, without any distractions or pressures. And no, you don't need to be a meditation guru to do this. Anyone can practice mindfulness, regardless of experience or background. It's about finding what works for you, and making it a part of your daily routine. It's simpler than you think. You don't need any special equipment or a dedicated space. All you need is a few moments of your time and a willingness to be present. Find a quiet corner. Close your eyes and just focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. This simple act of focusing on your breath can help calm your mind and bring you back to the present moment. Let go of any tension you might be holding. Notice where you might be feeling tightness or discomfort in your body, and consciously release it. Allow yourself to relax completely. You can also try journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be a powerful way to process your emotions and gain clarity. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate, just a few sentences about how you're feeling or what you're thinking can make a big difference. Write down your thoughts, your feelings, or even just 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude journaling, in particular, can help shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right in your life. Trust me, starting your day with a little bit of mindfulness can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. It can help you approach your day with a sense of calm and clarity, making it easier to handle whatever comes your way. So take a moment for yourself today. You deserve it. Alright, Chapter 4. Time for some day planning. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, planning? That sounds stressful, not relaxing. But hear me out. Taking a few minutes each morning to map out your day can actually reduce stress and increase your productivity. It's about setting realistic goals and prioritizing what needs to get done. Try using a planner, a to-do list app, or even just a piece of paper. Write down your tasks for the day, both big and small. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. And don't forget to schedule in some time for yourself, whether it's for a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or just some good old-fashioned relaxation. Alright, Chapter 5, the final chapter. Let's talk about balanced breakfast. You've heard it a million times, but I'll say it again. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's the fuel that powers your body and mind after a long night of fasting. And no, a sugary donut doesn't count. We're talking about a nutritious breakfast that will provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Think whole grains, lean protein, healthy fats, and fruits or vegetables. A bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts, a smoothie with spinach and banana, or some scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado are all great options. So there you have it, guys. We've walked through some fantastic morning routines that can truly set the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. 5 simple yet powerful morning routines that can help you kickstart your day and live a healthier, happier life. From stretching to enjoying a nutritious breakfast, these habits are designed to boost your energy and mood. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making it a consistent part of your routine. Whether it's journaling to clear your mind, exercising to get your blood pumping, or meditating to center yourself, each of these activities can contribute to a more balanced and focused day. Incorporating these 5 routines into your morning can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. You'll find that starting your day with intention and care can lead to greater productivity and a more positive outlook. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the transformation. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about integrating small, manageable habits that can lead to significant improvements over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Love Emotion Equation for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Your support means the world to us, and helps us continue to create valuable content for you. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep striving for your best self. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.